This is ZTE Axon 25G, and today I would like to demonstrate how you can set up the VPN connection on this device. So to start, you will need to download and install the free third-party app that is called Turbo VPN, so let's get it real quick. After the app is ready to be launched, you can go ahead and open it. In here, tap at the green continue button. Onwards, in order to set up or connect your phone to VPN, simply tap at the caret icon over here, accept the connection request, and wait for the VPN connection to be established. Well, this time the connection failed. That might be something you can occur from time to time. Usually it's not the case, but well, we happen to encounter some server overload, so well, due to a high demand, it might take you some time to, well, set up or establish the VPN connection. So as far as I can see, the second time around, it also didn't connect, so the connection failed. So I also recommend trying to manually connect to some other servers. So usually it just decides the most, automatically decides and connects you to the most, or rather to the best server that it thinks currently is. But you can manually try other servers or different servers, and as you can see, the connection goes through this time. While connected, you can change the country and server as well. So let's say I'll reconnect myself to some US server, or the server in the US. And finally, at last, if you would like to disconnect from VPN, simply tap at this cross icon over here, choose the disconnect option. And that will be it. So thanks for watching, and bye-bye.